Now, I remember I made a video that was yesterday. If you have not watched that video, go to this channel to do where to watch that video. Now, where you are seeing me now, I am standing in my cocoa farm, which is incorporated with my palms and then other, how is it called? I have plantain, I have banana here also. Yes, I told us I was gonna do another video to tell us expressly where or how you needed to plant this cocoa so it could give you the best which you needed. And now is that time, and I am here with you. Now what you see this is, in this video you will see videos of the ones we planted under shade. You understand? Where we planted on where there is shade, and the ones we planted where there are no shade. You understand? Now compare the differences in this video. If you have watched this video to this point and this is the first time you're seeing my face, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video, just like this one you're watching right now. So what I want to tell you is as simple as this. Looking at this here, this is a cocoa plant. You don't understand? This is a cocoa plant, but there is something you need to understand. You understand? Now what is that thing that you want to understand? Please, if you want to go into cocoa, just like this is one of the major cash crop I mentioned in the video yesterday, and I told us that people are disregarding it because I don't know whether I become a while, but it is one of the top. It's a multi-million-dollar cash crop. You don't understand? Not naira, dollar. Now, looking at in this video, you will see the ones we have here, which are the ones which we planted where there are no shade, and these ones are the ones which you are seeing here, which they are planted inside shade. Now, or where there is shade, and these other ones where there is shade are the ones we planted around swampy area, and then these other ones where there are no shade, they are the ones that we planted where there is no water. Now compare them. What are we saying in this video? What we are saying in this video is, if you want to go into a cocoa farm, after when you plant your cocoa farm, make sure before you even start planting it, make sure that you have shading trees. For example, your palms, your plantain, you have, if it has not started growing, you have to plant your plantain so it can serve as a shade for them. But if it has already grown, or if it is already coming up, like this ones you are seeing in this video, you have to start planting your plantain, then or move them to where there will be a shade for them, because this thing does not like too much sun. Yes. And if you have not watched that video was talking about sunlight, please go where to watch that video. Now, this thing does not like too much sun because it can stunt the growth, it can kill it. You don't understand? And when there is too much water too, you don't really do. That was what I was trying to explain that video, which you need to go and watch. Talking about excessive sun and excessive rain. You don't understand? So what we need to understand is this thing now. When you are planting it, make sure there are shade, just like you're seeing in these videos. We planted them where there are palm trees. These palm trees are serving like shade for them. The plantain are serving like shade for them, from just to shade them from the sun. This thing does not like too much sun. So as far as sun is concerned, him and sun, they don't work hand in hand. You don't understand? So please, what you need to do for yourself is, if you want to go into this cash crop farming, this particular cocoa cash crop farming, you need to know that it does not like sun, and excessive water is not good for it. You can plant it in a place that is cold. It does well there. You don't understand? So if you have watched this video to this point and then you have found this video informative, educative and above, or what you need to do for yourself and for me and for this channel, and this is the first time you're seeing my face, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video just like this one, because it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist and farmer, Emeka and Josie Agri, and more of our education is in the business of agriculture. You don't understand? So if you are interested and you like my videos, please hit in the comment, give this video a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and give this video a like, and of course subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay productive, stay active, start farming, and stop playing.